Another thing we can do with parameters is create default parameters. So let's create a new file and we'll call this default parameters.py. Let's say we define a function and it's going to be called hello again. And we're going to say greeting, comma, name, and print. And then we're going to say greeting, and then a comma and a space, and then name, and then an exclamation point. And actually, let's go ahead and make this more. And so we'll even make this configurable. We'll put in the punctuation. And then we'll call this function hello. And we'll put in hello as the default, or hello, and then we will put world, and for the punctuation we'll put an exclamation point. So these are all going to be substituted in by position, and we'll run that. So we get hello world, and we could call it again and put in, you know, greetings universe, and we'll put a period. And if we run this one, we can see that again we were able to put in what we wanted using the same function. So of course that's what's nice about having parameters, is we can run the same function multiple times and execute it differently based on what we input into it. So, but it'd be nice if we could maybe not have to put, like if we just wanted hello world, since that's kind of the standard thing, wouldn't it be nice if we could do defaults? Well, we can. If we put assignment operations in our function definition. So up here now, rather than put, you know, before when we were doing arguments, we were doing the assignments down here. Here we're doing the assignments up in the function definition. And so what we're doing when we're doing these assignments, we're not telling the function what to use. The way you read this is, if you provide me greeting, use whatever greeting that was provided. If it's not provided, put in hello. If you provide me a name, use whatever is provided. If there is no name, use world. If you provide me punctuation, use whatever is provided in the function call. And if it's not, use exclamation point. So these are defaults. And so watch what happens if I say hello and I just run it that way. As you can see, I didn't provide anything, no parameters in here, and it used my defaults. I can even do things like this. And now because I provided greetings, it uses greetings instead of hello, but the rest stays the same, world and exclamation point. And if I were to provide Rob, you can see here, now I provided the first two, so greetings goes in for greeting, Rob goes in for name, and then it uses that. So this provides a very flexible way of using programs. Now let's say I just wanted to do Rob. So could I do this? What would happen if I just put Rob in? It says Rob World. That's not what we wanted. So obviously we can't put this into here. So what do we do about Well, think about what we did with keyword arguments, and think about, before you look at the next video, think about if there's a way of solving that problem. So that's how to use defaults. Thank you very much.